Let's go, let's go.
Trying to do this one day at a time. I put my whole life into these lines. Yeah, nothing can stop us now. You don't want a problem, pal. Yes, I came a long way since I was a problem child. Same guy I always been, trying to make my mama proud. Reaching for the stars, praying I won't ever touch the ground. I gotta do this now while the sun's still shining. No matter how you get it, gotta see the silver lining. Remember when we came up, everybody tried to clown us. Now the same people trying to say that they're the ones that found us. All the minutes, all the hours, all the tears we devoured. Now we up, feel the power screaming out, the world is ours. Close to my voice, looking at me through the glass. I don't gotta lie to you, I don't gotta wear a mask. I just gotta be me, stay true to my last dying day. I did everything I could to make it back. That we want and nothing can stop us. I got the ball, not gonna drop it. No one can take this away from us, that's a promise. Can't let this moment slip away, can't have that on my conscience. I admit I lost my way, I was unfaithful, but it's a new day, and I'm so grateful. I still got a chance to show you that I'm worth it. Can't take back what I did, cause you know that I'm not perfect. Hold my head up to the sky, through the clouds I'll survive. No regrets, I'm alive, no more tears, let's get high. Remember this moment for the rest of our lives. Just know that I love you and memories will never die. This is all I've ever known. The stage is my throne, this is where I belong. Don't ever feel alone, just remember this day and everything that I said. The sun will still shine long after I'm dead. Yeah.
This is a Nappy Roots and Quill collab.
I just got a brand new pair of white shoes, and it's about time. The last ones I outgrew. I told my mom I would keep it clean, and I don't make promises I don't mean. Yeah, and I'd be damned if I let somebody scuff them, I love them. I told my dad I'd get them back when I'm older, but right now it's all good. I got my laces tucked, I'm two-stepping with my best foot forward. Yeah, I'm thinking, okay, it's a new day, it could be worse. I went and copped the ice creams, the all-white desserts. So when I pick my outfit out, it's always feet first. New pair of skinnies and a t-shirt. I got no money and more problems, feel like I'm puffed. So nobody's trying to drag my name through mud, but I done got some tough skin, they done ran out of luck. You know I'd rather have my name covered in dirt than dust. I rock the all-white Cortez, then I got the forces. Y'all can rock your colorways, I be thinking more is less. I run out of time before I run out of focus. Wintertime Timbs and some summertime Jordans. Okay, yeah, that's my shit. I got my best foot forward, two-step to this. I bought a brand new pair of some old Nike Airs. I'd be damned if I let somebody scuff my shit. I just got a brand new pair of white shoes, and it's about time. The last ones I outgrew. I told my mom I would keep it clean, and I don't make promises I don't mean. Yeah, and I'd be damned if I let somebody scuff them, I love them. I told my dad I'd get them back when I'm older, but right now it's all good. I got my laces tucked, I'm two-stepping with my best foot forward.
It's a new day, fresh J's, cement grains, pimp strut on the pavement. Sneak ahead, check my closet, the amazement. On occasion, infrared max 90s when I'm on vacation. I cop these overseas, the only one in the nation that I seen. I'ma call it motivation, ballin' on the budget, patient, and you know it. This is for the times that we really couldn't afford.
Best foot forward, new pair of Jordans. First day of school ain't a thing more important at the free throw store. Three-pointer sword, smiling like a kid on my tour bus touring while I step out with the Vans, all white chucks, black shoes strange just to switch up the looks while I cook up the books, bring back the Brooks, kick up my feet, Quill, bring back the hook.
I just got a brand new pair of white shoes, and it's about time. The last ones I outgrew. I told my mom I would keep it clean, and I don't make promises I don't mean. Yeah, and I'd be damned if I let somebody scuff them, I love them. I told my dad I'd get them back when I'm older, but right now it's all good. I got my laces tucked, I'm two-stepping with my best foot forward.
I love being me. Me's the only thing I'll ever be. I love being me. Me's the only thing I'll ever be. I got tough skin, I wear it gladly. I got a big smile to put it past me. The only time I look down is to look at my shoes.
I just got a brand new pair of white shoes, and it's about time. The last ones I outgrew. I told my mom I would keep it clean, and I don't make promises I don't mean. Yeah, and I'd be damned if I let somebody scuff them, I love them. I told my dad I'd get them back when I'm older, but right now it's all good. I got my laces tucked, I'm two-stepping with my best foot forward.
that rhythm.
Oh my god. You got dirt all over your face.